Kimmy and I'm back with another video. I'm going to be making a naan bread pizza today. I have my stone fire naan bread. So it comes with 2 pieces. This is going to be my top part and that's going to be my bottom. Or should I make this my bottom? Okay, so I'm going to start by taking my butter. And in my butter I have garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley. I usually add a little salt, but the butter was already salted. And I'm just going to brush my bread on both sides. If it gets a little messy, that's fine. But I like both sides of my bread covered in garlic butter. Okay, after that, I'm going to apply my sauce. My sauce is just the Walmart brand sauce, but I did add minced garlic, a little bit of sugar because I like a sweeter sauce, and I added garlic powder and onion powder as well. I don't like my sauce real thick. Some people do, some people don't. I have another naan bread, so the sauce and the pizza and the butter that's left will just be frozen. Okay, y'all, so I put some pizza seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder, and salt and pepper in here. And it's ground beef. Okay, y'all, so I'm just making little balls with my ground beef because I like for my beef to be uniform. I'm probably going to do the same with my sausage because I'm going to do sausage too. And I like my balls big. They actually kind of little right now. I usually do them bigger than this. This is about the size I usually do my balls, but I'm doing them like half the size because my naan bread is smaller than my crust I usually make. Hey y'all, this is my bacon. I like to take kitchen scissors and cut it. Now I'm just gonna open them up. Y'all, this is the Walmart brand bacon, and it's pretty good, but if I had my bacon choice, it would be the right bacon, but right bacon is super expensive. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be freezing the extra sauce. Also freeze the extra butter. And it may seem cheap, but y'all, like this little butter right here, it be good for so many things. Started doing the same thing with my sausage that I did with my ground beef, and just making some little balls. And the thing is, you do want to cook it all the way through on the stove, but if you don't, it's not urgent, because the thing, if it don't get all the way, like all the pink out, but most of it is out, really the meat is probably already reached the temperature where it's cooked anyway. And 2, it's going in the oven after this, so it's still another cook process, so it's going to get cooked all the way through. Now don't leave it like raw, like butt raw, but like you definitely want to make sure all the outside is at least brown and most of the inside. My ground beef is done. It's over there chilling. sausage sometimes be having big chunks of fat in there. I don't like biting into. So if I see them, I do take them out. Like, y'all see this? I don't like them real big chunks of fat. The other fat kind of cooked down, but like them big chunks don't. And y'all, that's the bacon grease in there still. So, and I like to leave it in there because it keeps my sausage from sticking when it first starts cooking. So this is my ground beef and my bacon. And we just waiting on the sausage. I'm not going to put a lot of this bacon on here because it's really salty. I don't know why. I think that's all the bacon I'm going to put on there. Okay, y'all, for anybody wondering what this is jalapeno pepper juice. Because I love the taste of jalapeno pepper and the spice, but I don't like biting into them cooked. Okay, bro, I got my sausage off. So we're just going to be dropping them. Okay, and to top the pizza, we're going to go with more mozzarella. I like to put cheese on top and below the layer of meat because it helps the meat stick. Now all I need to do is get my toppings. I'm going to start with some pizza seasoning since it's right here. And we are going to be adding some parsley. And my favorite, some crushed red pepper. Okay, baby, here she goes. She looking good. She looking great. She looking delicious. Let's get me just a little taste. Is it bacon in that part? Yeah, I got some bacon right there. That cheese. Hold on, okay. So I got some crust, I got some bacon, I got sausage or ground beef, one or the other. And I know y'all can't see me, so y'all just have to listen and know. Oh my god. This is it right here. The naan bread is not real crispy. It's soft, but it's so flavorful. Especially since I put that garlic butter on it too. And it tastes slightly smoked. Y'all, it's so good. Let me tell y'all, in probably the last 2 months, I've been trying to get some good pizza, like fighting for my life for good pizza. I've been to the pizza spot I usually go to. It was mid. I went to Pizza Hut yesterday. It was good, but it wasn't like, oh my gosh, it's so good. I done made frozen pizzas. I bought Walmart pre-made pizza and added stuff to it. Same thing with the frozen pizza. Yeah, this is the best pizza I done had in months. This is what I needed to get over my pizza craving. It's so good. If I make my man this, he gonna put a ring on it. He gonna be done. That's it. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop another video. And I'm out. Love you guys.
Said I'll be back to hold you down. I don't wanna leave you, baby.